Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet bat subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kini kilong kuar kung saan munta kasngi. Kakasil atau mas district council na hak sing thoding kala ki menjur ya kabil jong kakasil district council amendment rule ba arfo arfsau bala terwa ban pemit ma yo put usam bat chin ki thau jong ki constituency jong ka council kat kum kabil bala menjur hadu kat khnatli kot constituency wala sa kata hajim pemit ma yo put usam bat hadu aspa anda pu tuli kisnong lara on pekan ria yaki na kawai constituency sa kawai pan ya kini kabil menjur dak yung darbar bakarpang ka special session jong ka HDC kalau lang ni kasi thoding ya kini kabil lawan ra daw deputy chief executive member ka HDC buat pencangai NCM haringkat ka kaipot jong selection committee ke balatung buat chong bisar ya ka draft bill bala IT da ka delimitation committee kini ki arfutli konsensi wasakta hakini ki jimpen put batmai ki kentup lightly hari boy kanang po umsning bat jirang lightly hawas kasihil kanang stone rambrai bat mosenrut kawai hi eastern west kasihil district kaparyong constituency bat kawai ha south west kasihil kalangrin constituency haduk hadwai tuli ki constituency ki badai na east kasihil ki belakentup yak mulai mokhar pun thor umkhra laban mopram mosenram nong tmai malki lai umkhra menlim moplang nong spung soyong nong krem bat sorang kham.
Manfaatnya merawat jawab sejak dimulai wajib nanti anak membuat bagian untuk ekonomi option habis special meeting itu bahwa dia berada di sini cuma Amerika menangkan so kalau kita mengenai ini melakukan media special meeting melakukan question mereka merasa aku atau ada members juga ini ada discuss report of the committee of the councils of the situation of the council and the 2024 but the direction and position of the council of the situation was still out to see. Council and the 2024 dibenarkan di PCM beri bicara security pada sini kuat.
Committee number DC 71 slide 2024 slide 24 slide 2024 bracket 11 7 2024 by the council during its summer session 2024 pertaining to hasil accommodation constitution of the amendment for the committee which was held on 20/8/2024 where in the Rangashno Production Direct Executive have appeared in person and to further presentation submitted before the committee. The committee has finally estimated all the petition as well as the submission of the petitioner present at the hearing held on 20/8/2024. The committee has also met on 20/21 August 2024 which after the deliberation with consensus rationale the committee has implemented to place the report to the council along with the revise of the Kasil Autonomous District Council Constitution of District Council Amendment Rule 2024.
Baru kali dia report of the security macam apa yang diisi banyak tulis dekat
Introduce the Kasil Autonomous Constitution of District Council Amendment Rule 2024 with Appendix 2 of Rule 6 of Rule 3 Annex Z.
introduce the Catholic Autonomous District of the Security Amendment Rule 2024 with Appendix 2 of 6C Annex Z2 can you repeat introduce the Catholic Autonomous District Constitution of District Amendment Rule 2024 with Appendix 2 of 6C is granted. Please introduce the rule now.
Response Constitution of District Council Amendment Rule 2024 with Appendix 2 of Rule 6 of Rule 3.
District Constitution of District Council Amendment Rule 2024 with Appendix 2 of Rule 6C has now been introduced. Please move for consideration of the rule.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I move that the Council of District Constitution of District Council Amendment Rule 2024 with Appendix 2 of Rule 6 of Rule 3 be now taken into consideration.
Berasal dalam atur atau ada members JKD and discuss the report of the Security of the Council of the District Constitution of District Council Amendment Rule 2024, but introduction and question of the Council of the District Constitution of District Council Amendment Rule 2024 dibenarkan di PCM beliau dicetak security pada Senate.
Committee number DC 71/2024/2024 bracket 11/7/2024 by the Council during its summer session 2024 pertaining to Tahsil Akmal District Constitution of the District Amendment before the committee, which was held on 20/8/2024, where in the Rangwashna Production the representative have appeared in person and to other application submitted before the committee. The Senate committee has minutely estimated all the petitions as well as the submission of the petitioner present at the hearing held on 20/8/2024. The committee has also met on 20/21 August 2024, which after the revision with consensus version, the committee has recommended to place the report to the council along with the revise of the Tahsil Akmal District Council Constitution of District Council Amendment Rule 2024.
Tuan beberapa kali dalam hearing report of the security mencari appeal yang diisi banyak jenis yang
Introduce the Tahsil Akmal District Constitution of District Council Amendment Rule 2024 with Appendix 2 of Rule 6 of Rule 3 Annex Therefore.
to introduce the Tahsil Akmal Constitution of District Council Amendment Rule 2024 with Appendix 2 of 6C Annex B2 to introduce the Tahsil Akmal Constitution of District Amendment Rule 2024 with Appendix 2 of 6C is granted. Please introduce the rule now.
Response Constitution of District Council Amendment Rule 2024 with Appendix 2 of Rule 6 of Rule 3.
District Constitution of District Council Amendment Rule 2024 with Appendix 2 of Rule 6C has now been introduced. Please move for consideration of the rule.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I move that the Tahsil Akmal District Constitution of District Council Amendment Rule 2024 with Appendix 2 of Rule 6 of Rule 3 be now taken into consideration.
Of Rule 3 be now taken into consideration. The motion is before the House. Dengan update motion ni bakit bukan jadi itu mensuspend action dan kerja takut ganggu orang CG so
Mr. Chairman, sir, I move that in exercise of Rule 150G, you hereby suspend the application of Rule 1 of Rule 88 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Constitution of the Council Rules 1951 as amended.
Bakit bukan dari
Vishnu Sharma, apabila suspend the application of the rule atau penurunan pas dengan amendment bill. Di kaya kadang kalau kita move to the commission, dalam Ikemau last session. Before to introduce ETCM and introduce the bill. Nagalan dengan yang dewan perhatian kepada tayang pertentang ajmut bagi dewan sesuai selesai. Hadir mengayin berapa kerja dahulu usul merah dan hak selesai komiti. Bagi sopen lu bagi selesai komiti lala tidak berkamu buat penuntutan bagi wilayah pertentang baliklah namun kemudian kalau di baru di kemudian bisnis berdasarkan dengan awal di kuat do bagi decision seperti decision amendment rule dan develop dan pasno maka boleh berkumpul pada kami di way send tidak control demi berapa di kuat amat berjalan mereka ini kan begitu maka itu dalam Pak menubah pendak ya kamera ya ke isi dari surga aku bandar yang disyukur bagi kadang kadang kayak pengakuan bantu di musim kalau macam itu di kalau menunjuk ya di musim kena atau bagi suspender itu dulu atau beda bantu pas bahkan video bantu pas mau mentasi kita yang dibuat nak lihat.
Untung irang sulu dapet special session. Apa biar don kat apa? Ngasup bandit, memtegasni ngalawan pas ikan iga. Khasil Autonomous District Council Constitution of District Council Amendment Rules arjara pusau. Kane ka amendment rules kadai na kabanta bandi organize biang iki shnong na kawai ka konstitusi chawi konstitusi bakat bala ban balance yaki jing don jungki nong thapot fi ki don kandiat kumna nong po kapaham so bangar ka bari nong po nya bu no hajiran nang ba kan kham yelong marjan kayumong long ru kabade hanong po konstitusi haga MDC karba haga MLA kadai ha umsning ya kayumong long ru nya ba lang no bakal umsning nang takidon kandiat ko ni kum kala parang kanora na sorang kam nira no siya mai nang bakan nong kandiat kan balance kabut idon ka ko ni kisnong na mausundram kum karai ba nong mai bakat ko ni kisnong nira no siya radikor pun nang taka clip koloni terisa koloni Tripura Kasel ini kilong atat sebat ka lain kra isim na nong mai bu no ha lain kra nang ka sauli ka lengkin ka mausir kini ki hapa ka sinong maupat ki babor kata ki hapa ka laim kra kini ki man phai no sha maukhat penthon kra nangta ka lum do bar ka lum sopho ka men sain ki kajat football ki babor kata ki hapa ka laim kra makini ki along asat sebagai laban nyala no sha mau prem lawan nangta kumka lum singai kepada ibu kita hapo lain kra laan no sya nong kemai kumjuru ke mau pat ke babaros kata ka don haka mau lai nemak lai kan no wara lang no bata mau khar penform kra idon ka tukun gisnong bangti hapo jen lag siang mau kendro ini baros kata ki hapa ka nong spung soyong tendri kala kham jingai lara no haka mau plang binde nangta akajing ide pergi sinong na pariong kondusi ki bahap hanong stoy haka MLA ye kituru ilara no kum ksia kolong marngor berjuwi kuwe nang ta kidon ki sinong ki bahap ka pariong motarai syang boros kata haka MDC kat bah haka MLA ki ngat haramrai ki kini ki sinong rupnya permanlang no haramrai nang bukan sup itu nang ta ka ne ka mau ko maru ka ba de boros kata hanong stoy kum gajing ko aju gipai ma berwarna no syapo rambrai nang ta kidon kisnong na po rambrai jengam kiba hap apo kamu sendut hakamele ya kini kisnong ru kum ka meniar ka kriang rin ka siangra kini ru lawan no na rambrai sya mau sendut ka diskyang ka badan bersekta rambrai nama kalung atak sebagai nostoy lawan no sya nostoy nangka idon kisnong ki bahap apo ka mau motion road haka MDC kat bah haka MLA kingat haka rambrai dia kini ru ngira wan ra lang no haka rambrai khnang bakat bensuk kaju ka MLA konsusi kaju ka MDC usi kungi Malang Kasi ke Malang Joypur ke Seldubi bat kum tak ter kidan bu kisnang na po nong stoy kiba bersyata ke ngat hanong stoy MDC konsusi kat pa haka MLA kingat motion road kanong stoy ni kala khambun parat kinung thabut ngira sim no ikri kisnong nanong stoy ngira sya motion road kita kilong ka risyang ka maulang reang ka mau kenjoin babun kisnong ter nang ta haka jadi ka melim namar bakani ka mau kriya ka haka mau plang boros kata kat ba MDC kingat haka melim namar baka kanang bakan pensuk para lang no siapa mau plang nang ta kan mau kasiang ka mau diang kini baru sekata ki hap alai ukra te namar ba ki long atar selang bat ka soreng kam la ai no sha soreng kam kalai dengan suai ke ba baru sekata ka hap anong spung para no sha mau plang nang ta kanong rim helsu ka baru sekata hap alai ukra la sona mai kini ki long ka adjustment yung kasih komiti ka bangi oban pas inta house pa sa pa siya ng government governor bangi oban
Itu nombor izin Pak.
Rai namar ba ni perkhat ba ka melim kan yo kala khamrit ni adjust no ikam pelmakai ba ka melim
Tadi ka mulai murok ni.
moro ni kem katung ila benda bi mulai
Ba kini ki jingle
jaga dia haplong kum ka MLA ka ju ka MDC ke ju tang ba gini kisno asor khap sor ni ma ban le kum ta namar ka bud tribal tingi hap ban chim hinang ni nang ta
Antelen Syakir
diskiang kani ka syong diskiang haga MLA ka hap haram rai haga MDC ka ngat sorry haga MLA ka ngat hanung stoin kani ka diskiang ka ning ong pe ho ang batay bay pindiat naga 28 ram rai ni atcha nong stoin nei ni atcha nong stoin sapa ha kani ka diskiang kajan has na ba kanong stoy karba kay mali pa ngat ha rampray tingin lang balong ba namar ba ka ngi kanyat lang namal adjan pala ha